Hey everybody, John the Phone Guy here, and we're going to be doing a sizing video. This is the Bolt Zeus Heritage with the Sellita SW200. This is actually just got it in a rose tone also. I love these watches. It's an amazing. I'll do a full spec video on it, but today we're just going to talk about sizing. So we're going to size this guy right here. So as you can see, arrows pointing down, and I'm using a 9mm pin for these. Put that sucker in there good, didn't they? Whoo! Okay. No problem. I'm up for the challenge. Sometimes you just got to put a little elbow grease behind it. Man, this sucker is really fighting me. Bring it on, bring it on. Okay. Look at this thing. Yeah. That's in there, right? See if we can't coax it a little bit the other way, loosen this thing up. Wow. I must say, this is definitely a run for the money. And no lie. Alright, I wasn't expecting to get a workout out of this, but okay. And that is why. Okay, that explains it. I thought it looked funny, but I wasn't 100% sure, but I am now. So this is one of those times where it pays to look at everything that's going on, because that pin was put in backwards. Or something. I'm really not 100% sure what's going on with this one. Wow. Sorry. I'm trying to watch what I'm doing here. Yeah. So there's that. I don't know what to tell you on that one. That was... I don't see that very often. That was very unusual. So just to make sure that I'm going the right direction, I gotta... Sorry. I gotta make sure I'm putting this thing back together right. So here, down. Okay. Sometimes they just don't like you, and this is one of those times. So okay, we'll just move on and keep on trucking. So yeah, see, amazing. When both sides work like they're supposed to, it comes out a lot easier. But, you know. And I'm going to leave all this in here, if for no other reason than to show you that sometimes things don't always work exactly the way you think they should, or whatever, and you just have to be patient and persistent. And we are sized up. I've got some movement here on the micro adjuster, so I got some room to take some slop, some of the slack if I don't care for it. Right now, with Atlanta being as hot as it is, I'm going to leave this thing a little bit looser, because I'm sure, wow, even bent that pin. Yeah, well, that's why I have parts. It's all right. And I went too far. See? I'm starting to lose my patience. Okay, that's better. So, name of the game always with these bracelets is always patience. So, some things They just don't always want to work the way you thought they would. And you just have to be persistent, stick with it, and it will work out. So we are all just checking my pin heights here. Yeah, I think that one's still just a tick high. So we'll set this guy just a little bit more. There we go. And there we have it. Bolt Zeus Heritage Collection in rose gold and silver. So, all right. And I'll do a spec video on this because it's got some pretty interesting characteristics around the Heritage Collection and what it comprised of and everything. But whew, okay, sized up. Yes, I know the date is wrong because I was sizing, so it's all good. And I forgot to mention at the end of this, what I do with these bracelets parts when I'm done is I use the tag. Sorry, that was really glary. Woo! And I write the model number on it, and then I loop it through, one of the pieces, and then I have little baggies like this, and this is from another watch I just did. I think it's like a 3x3 little Ziploc bag, and put it all in there with the tag showing so that I can file it away. And as always, shout out to YouTube friends, Trap Vision 3D, Tommy Big Time, and also to Evine and Invictastores.com, where I buy most of my watches, and of course Facebook pages, Invictaholics, Invictacruisers, InvictaVets. If you enjoyed this video, watching me beat the daylights out of this watch, please subscribe below, and I have more sizing videos, and I have a series of spec videos talking about all the different specifications of the watches. I'll leave links in the description below. As always, until next time, have happy collecting. See you later.